So you must make sure that you align the waterline exactly on the waterline. I'm using the lip liner just to draw exactly on the waterline. This will change your makeup game. And then I'm using the same lip liner to align my lips, just like that. And then after aligning, she will rub together to blend. Then she will rub together to blend. So when she rub together, I'm not rubbing on the center of the lips, because there we're going to put an orange part. We're going to put an orange matte lipstick, so we're not going to go with the lip gloss, because if we go with the lip gloss, it's going to move out quickly. So as she's going to eat and going out, we do not want to put lip gloss, because our lip gloss is going to make the lipstick to move quickly. So we just want to keep it matte, because matte lipstick doesn't get messed quickly. And then we put the eyelash, and then we just rub what is left to blend with spray, and we are good to go. Ta-da! Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.